Good morning, student. Today we shall revise a chapter first, that is called sets. Number one, what is the meaning of a set? A set is said to be a well-defined collection of objects. Means various objects are given to you. You arrange the set in an order, and if that order is a well-defined, then we can say it is a set. We say with example, if I go to a shop and ask a bookseller that please provide the book of class 11th, then definitely is this set is a well defined? No, it is not a well defined set, because in class 11th the student belongs to different category. Maybe he is a group belongs to a science group, maybe he belongs to the commerce group, maybe he belongs to the humanities group. So it set is not a well defined set. To define a well defined, we must say that please provide the books of class 11th related to non-medical. Then definitely he will provide the books of physics, chemistry, maths and English, because English is compulsory to all. If I say to the shopkeeper, please provide me the books of class 11th of commerce, then definitely he will provide accountancy, economics, business study and English. Now see, so these are the four subjects which are the major subject in the science as well as in the commerce. Similarly, in case of humanities, there are lot of subjects. It depends upon the choice of students what type of subject he have taken. So according to that, the set will be well defined only whenever it is well defined to other, then we can say it is a set. And it is a collection of objects. Collection of objects means in our home. For example, when your class 10th exam is over, at that time your mother simply say to you, please set your books. It means set your books means what? Set your books. It means you are studying in class 10th and you have to set the books of class 10th of your books to the Almirah or one particular place. So it is called as the collection of objects. These objects, not necessarily only the school books are there, maybe it is some refreshers are there. So collection of objects is said to be a set. So a set is a well defined collection of objects. Now we discussed the two different forms. One is called the roster form and other is called as the set builder form. Roster form, or the other name of the roster form is tabular form. As the name is suggested, roster means expansion. He have given a statement to us in the form of single line and we expand the statement according to that given line. Then such type of form is called as the roster form, and another name of the roster form is called as the tabular form. Now see, I will discuss with one example. He gives a set A to us is equals to x such that x, these two dots represent such that x is an integer where x is greater than minus 3 but less than 7. In this case, he defined your x should be integer, means x belongs to an integer and x should be greater than minus 3 and less than 7. In that case, what to do and how to write? See this one, it is an integer, x greater than minus 3. First of all, we start the value of x which is greater than minus 3 and it should be integer. So minus 2, after that minus 1, after that 0, after that 1, after that 2, after that 3, after that 4, then 5, then 6, and all these value kept in a set, and this is called as the braces. This is called as the braces, BRACES. It is called as the braces. So this is a way to expand a given line into full form. Whenever you expand a given line into this form, that such type of form is called as the roster form, or such type of form is called as the tabular form. In reverse, the set builder form, as the name is set builder. Set builder means just like as a construction of building. For construction of a building, we need the different things. We need the brick, we need the sand, we need the sandstone, we need the tor, everything, labors. So a builder, what to do? Collect all these things and collect a building in front of us, or make a building in front of us. So this form is called as the set builder form. See one example. A statement is given to you 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. Now we want to make a relation for this one. This statement is given to you in the roster form, and we have to write down the statement in set builder form. Now in the same way, he say A is equals to X such that X is equals to. We find a relation among the given numbers. It is a roster form and we want to convert into set builder form. So 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. If you see this one, this is your 2. This is your 2 square. This is your 2 cube. This is your 2 to power 4. This is your 2 to power 5. So this is the relation among all these, that these numbers are increasing with the help of power 2. So I can write down X such that X is equals to 2 to power n, where n start from 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and all numbers are positive. So we can say n belongs to natural number and value of n less than equals to 5. So n belongs to natural number and value of n less than equals to 5. So this form is called as the set builder form. This is another way of representing.